everyone, this is Shauna with Crafts with Shauna D, and today I wanted to show you how I made this cute little bookmark that I made for my calendar. I wanted to be able to switch it whichever month we're on so that I can get to, just flip to that page easily. And so I did a hidden paperclip bookmark, and I wanted to show you how today. So you start with this strip of paper, and you can make this as wide or as long as you want. And for this tiny book, I only wanted it, to be a couple inches. So this is 4 inches long because we're going to double it over. If you have a bigger book and you want to make it wider and longer, depending on what you want to put on it, that's fine. Just double the length that you want it to be at your final, when the final product's done. So we begin by folding this over and matching the ends up, and then you can use your bone tool and make sure that's a nice crease on there. And then you can use bigger paper clips, but all I have today is smaller ones, so we're just going to do that. And what you do is you place it up here toward the crease, so the open end that goes over your page is facing down, and the top loop is at in the center of your crease up there. And what we're going to do is where these ends are, we're going to glue from there up, and we're going to be sure and put some in the center of the paper clip so that when it dries, the paper clip don't move. So we're just gonna, I'm using tacky glue. You can do it with hot glue. I'm sure other glues will work fine. And we're just gonna close that up so you can see there's glue on both sides plus the middle. We're not getting down in here to where the functioning part of the paper clip is. And then we're going to close it up, and we're going to pinch that real tight and make sure that paper is making good contact. Wipe off any excess glue. And we're just going to hold that until it's done drying. I'm going to pause the video because this takes a few minutes to make sure it's absolutely dry. But you can see we're just pressing that down, especially inside of the paper clips, so that you make sure that's making good contact in there. We'll be right back when this is dry. Okay, we're back, and this is all dried out now. You can see here where we put the glue. So this is glued shut, the paper clip is solid in there, and the other side is glued shut. Now you can use it just like that, or you can choose to decorate it. I have a little flower thing I want to put on this one. Let me grab that here. This is actually a sticker, so it's a little bit big for it, but we're going to go ahead and stick it on there so you can see how it works. And then I'm going to trim these edges of the sticker off so that it doesn't catch on my paper and stuff. We'll just flip it over and trim these ends off. There we go. Now we have a cute little decoration on there. You could make it stick up above too if you like, and it's ready to use. So to use it, let's pick a different page here. You just take your page and you just slide your bookmark in over it, and it sticks out slightly above the paper. It can't go where the sides are glued, so it just sticks out right there. You can also use it to hold things. So grab something here. We have, say we want to add that to the page, you can just slide it right up in there, and that will hold it in place for you. You can use this as a bookmark in books, your calendars, your planners, and in junk journals. You can use them down further on the page. You could actually glue that down if you wanted to the page, and then be able to slide stuff up in it, your format or anything you wanted in that. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and leave comments below. Thank you for sharing, liking, and subscribing. I appreciate you guys.